we were positive, paracetamol was like a toffee for us. Every day, 3 times a day, all of us were popping paracetamols, and it was like it's a candy. For us, paracetamol is a candy now. Hi, Bhuvan, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. It's been really long, and I'm seeing you after a really, really long time.
Yeah, it has been a long time to me use
Yes.
this application. Okay, clapping
Okay.
go. Yeah, yeah,
You weren't using it. That's what you're saying.
yeah. It has been
Okay.
almost more than 1 month to
More
me
than a
having.
month.
Yeah, more
Okay.
than a month to me having
All
used
right.
this application. Yeah,
You were busy somewhere else.
yeah. Actually, nowadays, actually, in my village area, it's paddy time. So right
Okay.
now, yeah. So right now, actually, I was busy in my in my fields. So that's why I didn't use this application. Yeah.
Okay. So you are free from that now. So you're decided to be back on here.
Yeah, right.
That's
Yeah.
okay. So how are
Mhm.
things at home? How is everyone at your place?
Ma'am, yeah, everyone is fine and
Everyone's
everything is
fine.
going on good nowadays. Yeah, yeah.
Very
And
nice.
what's about you? Are you in Delhi or are you in your
Oh
native place?
no, in
How
Delhi
about
only. In Delhi
in
only.
Delhi? So are you not planning to come now? Your native place?
See, I was, but you know that the entire family is here in Delhi only. So if there's a function or anything, then the entire family they travel together to Uttarakhand. Otherwise, everybody is here only in Delhi. So that is what the problem is. But yeah, I do have a wedding to attend. I think in October. So yeah, we are
Okay.
hoping that we'll be there only. So let's see what happens.
Uh-huh. Yeah, actually nowadays due to raining, it's greenery everywhere.
Okay.
So yeah, greenery everywhere. Like
Mm-hmm.
like you can see. I don't know you are able to see or not, but
Yes, yes, I am.
but
I am.
yeah, but it's greenery everywhere nowadays due to
Of
raining.
course.
Yeah, so
Yes.
it looks very good. It looks very
The
beautiful.
weather would also be really good over there.
Yeah, but it was like it was sunny day today. It is sunny
Okay.
day today. Yeah, but it
Mm-hmm.
was raining last 3 to 5 days.
Okay, okay, that's
Maybe yeah,
nice.
but right now it's sunny.
It's melting hot here, melting hot over here. I cannot tell you the temperature is increasing day by day and it feels like we're gonna burst into flames anytime soon. So it's very bad over here. So I'm
Uh,
just getting the cool vibes from you that you're sitting in the middle of greenery and everything and it's good over there, but it's very bad over here in Delhi.
yeah. So basically, what kind of weather do you like? It's
Oh, I hate winters. I don't like winters at all. So I'm loving
okay.
this weather, but
Mm-hmm.
it is crossing a certain limit. You know, crossing a certain. I love summers. I absolutely love summers. I can survive in 40 degrees. It's good, but I cannot survive in 10, 5, 11 degrees. That becomes extreme for me.
Okay. Okay. So you created some parameters. Like if temperature go if temperature goes upon that level, so that time you are
Yes,
not feel happy.
that time my body will reject everything. So yes, that's how I am. You know how in winters
Mm-hmm.
animals they go into a deep sleep, polar bears, sorry, bears and all.
Mm-hmm.
In when it is extreme cold, they just
Yeah.
go into hibernation. So I
Right.
feel
Yeah.
like doing that. That I should also just go into hibernation, sleep for those 6 months when it's winters, and I can just wake up when the summers are back on. That's what I feel like doing. What do you
Uh,
like? Which season do you like?
I like winter actually. I like winter. Yeah, I
Okay.
like winter season. Actually, I don't like summer.
Oh,
I like
oh my God.
yeah, I like rainy season as well as some
Mhm.
as well as winter. I like both.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
So when the place where you're living, that's in Uttarakhand, right? So
Uh,
there, the summer is not so prominent, right? The weather
hmm.
stays nice and cool only.
Yeah. Weather is good. Right now, I
Mm-hmm.
think temperature will be, I think, 20, between 25 and 30, I think.
27, 30. It's
Yeah.
39 here. It's 39 over here, and
So,
it
ma'am,
will keep on increasing.
so you are living in metro cities. So So that's the reason you are 9 degrees centigrade ahead
Oh
of us.
God. Yes, and there is no rain. We are not getting any possibility of it be raining anytime soon. I don't think so it is going to rain. I don't know
Okay, no
why.
rain.
What is happening? No, not at all. Uh, in the morning, it was today itself. In the morning, it was like, oh my God, very cloudy. It is about to rain. It will be a great splash today, the entire day.
Mhm.
And then after 15 minutes, the sun was so bright, no clouds at all, and it was like, oh my God.
So right now it's sunny. It's sunny.
Yes, absolutely. It's sunny. No sign of rain at all. It is not going to rain. But what can we do? Nothing can be done. We have to manage. That's the problem.
Yeah, yeah,
Your
and
plans, your plans of coming to Delhi are not going to happen. I think that is not going to.
yeah, yeah. It's not going to happen still.
Oh God,
Yeah.
the
So maybe
conditions are also not good.
so have you got like vaccine? Have you got vaccine?
No, I was corona positive, so till August I
Oh,
cannot get vaccinated. So after August only I'll be getting my vaccination.
okay. So you was corona positive. So
Yeah,
right now, are you okay?
I'm done. I'm done. When you were on a break, I was also on a break because I was positive. My entire family was positive.
Oh.
So yeah, it was.
So
That's
right
how
now
it
all are
happened.
okay. So right now
Yes,
all are well.
everybody has recovered and we are back on our feet. Let's just hope it doesn't happen to us again because it was ugly. It's very ugly.
Hmm. Like in metro cities, I think you can't escape such kind of things
Yes,
because
exactly.
because cities are very crowded.
Yeah. And my father is also working, he went outside every day. During the lockdown also he was out because his category comes under essentials. So
Mm-hmm.
he was continuously outside and he was the first one to get infected and then he spread to all of us and we were like, what have you done? So yeah, we all three got infected from him.
Okay.
Are you
Okay. So
vaccinated?
yeah. I have
Oh
got.
wow, you are. Okay, which one?
Mm, Covishield.
Covishield. Okay, both the
Mm,
doses are done.
sorry.
Both doses are done.
Yeah, no.
Just
Only
one.
one does. Only one does. And
Okay.
I think after
Okay.
84 days, uh,
You'll be
I will
getting the
get
second
second
one.
dose. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
But
Did
yeah,
you
but
get any symptoms?
yeah. After getting Covishield, so that day I was suffering from body pain, headache,
Oh God.
and I was feeling very low. Like
Yeah.
I didn't have
Hmm.
energy that
Of
day.
course. Right.
Yeah,
And no fever?
yeah. Fever is also. So after
Fever
that,
also.
yeah. So after that, I take 650 mg paracetamol.
Paracetamol. Oh God.
Yeah,
When we were positive, paracetamol was like a toffee for us. Every day, 3 times a day, all of us were popping paracetamol, and it was like it's a candy. For us, paracetamol is a candy now. Yes.
so
But
so every day that time you used to take 3 times
yes,
paracetamol.
3 times it was said to take paracetamol because for me, I got fever for 3 days only, and it was
Hmm.
103, 104. It was high.
Yeah,
So,
it
but
is
only for 3 days, I was okay. But my father, he had fever for almost 10 days, and
10
it
days.
just wouldn't go away. So he
Okay.
had to take paracetamol 3 times in a day, and after that, there was a time when paracetamol was also not working.
Yeah,
That's
because you are
how high
yeah.
his fever became.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So he was given a different medicine along with paracetamol, and that was very heavy.
Yeah.
But the thing was that just two tablets of that particular thing, it cured away the fever, and then he did not get that fever. So it was
Okay.
very heavy. It just drained my father of everything. He had
Mm-hmm.
to change his clothes 3 times in a night. That's how much he
Oh.
sweated for that because of that medicine.
Mm-hmm. So did you take
Yeah.
another medicine apart from paracetamol? You.
Yes. There were antibacterials, antivirals, and there were what are those antibiotics, and there were supplements of zinc and vitamin C. So in
Mhm.
combination of all these things, we had to take.
Okay, and all medicines are very heavy.
Yes. The three of us, the rest of us, it
Mm-hmm.
wasn't so heavy because we only ate those medicines for 4 days. My
Okay.
father, he ate medicines for 17 days. Until 25 days, he had to be nebulized because he got pretty serious.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but everything is good. He had to take a lot of steroids in order to get
Yeah.
that virus out.
Right. Right.
And steroids also have those side effects. You must have heard that yellow fungus,
Yeah.
white
Yes.
fungus,
Yes.
black
Uh-huh.
fungus. We have an entire rainbow. Entire rainbow is there. So yes, that was also very risky. It was an ugly experience, and I just hope nobody has to face all these things again. But
Yeah, and in my village area, like those people who used to live in Delhi, who used to live in metro cities, so
yeah,
they had come in
yeah,
our
they'll come
village.
back.
Yeah, they had
Hmm.
come back in our village. So right now they has gone because
Okay,
situation is very good. Because situation is very
okay.
good in metro cities, I would say
Hmm.
nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that time most of the villagers
Yes,
has come.
exactly.
Yeah, they have come.
You people are safe out there. You're in a
Right.
village and it's safe out there. It's good
Yeah.
because you don't have any contaminated air from the cities as well.
Right.
But the city people, without thinking, they're moving to the remote areas and then they don't know if they are the carriers or not, and then they are infecting everyone. That is the
Hmm.
biggest problem. So
Yeah,
that is
yeah, yeah.
why it extended so much.
Mm-hmm.
But
Right, and yeah, and in our area there is only one
oh
hospital,
God.
and there is no facility. Like suppose you are suffering from breathing problem,
Hmm.
so they don't have oxygen. So so that time you have to travel almost 55 kilometers, like Ranikhet. I think you
Rani.
know about Ranikhet,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
So that time you
absolutely.
have to you have to move to Ranikhet. Then you
Oh
will
God.
get then you will get oxygen.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And is it were they assuring that if you reach Ranikhet, there is a definite possibility that you will get oxygen?
There is no assurance. That time you have to move Haldwani.
Oh God. Then to Haldwani. Oh God. Bhuvan, you're mute.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, now it's good.
Yes. Yeah, actually someone is
Yeah.
calling me. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So that
This
time,
is
yeah. So that time we have to move Haldwani.
okay.
Yeah.
So many problems, God. I don't understand how these things will get handled. There is this Delta virus also. Where should we go? Where should we go and die? So bad. In your family, everybody is vaccinated?
Yeah. Everybody is vaccinated.
Everyone is
Yeah.
done. Okay, all
Yeah.
right.
Everyone is
Because,
vaccinated. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and they also have the same timing for the second dose,
Yeah. After 84 days. After
84 days.
84 days, you will
Before
get your
you.
second. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because they
that's
don't
nice.
have, I think, too much medicine, too much vaccine. So that's why.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is the problem. My parents, they both were shot with their first dose
Oh,
of Covaxin. And after getting
vaccine.
vaccinated, they got infected with the virus. So I was like, why did you have to get vaccinated? That's the feeling I started getting. I was like, oh God, this is sad. So after 3 months, we'll be getting our first dosage. But I'm having these negative thoughts that after getting vaccinated, what if I again become infected? We're having
Yeah.
this dual thinking, and we don't know what's right, what's wrong. But
Mm.
anyway,
Do you believe vaccination it will be work or not?
it is. This is what. This is what's making my uh, two type of thinking that last year my parents weren't vaccinated, so we all were
Hmm.
well. For the entire
Okay.
year, we were well, and till
Hmm.
now also we were good. We were okay. My father had gone to work every day, even during the lockdown, and even when Corona was at its peak. Then also he was going to the office. But
Okay.
the moment he got vaccinated, just within a week, he was infected. And my mom also, and then us also. So we are getting this dual thinking that What is it? Was my father spared because he was vaccinated, or he got infected because he was vaccinated? We're not able to decide. But I don't know, Bhuvan. It's not clear. We don't know anything. And which
Right.
vaccine is more effective? We don't even know that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now, yeah.
I think Covishield is better than Covaxin. That's what I've heard.
Hmm. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
I also heard.
Yes.
I also heard this news. Yeah, Covishield is much effective.
Better.
Yeah, yeah,
You have
yeah,
Covishield only, right? You have got shots with Covishield.
yeah. Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, like
So
yeah,
it's
in village area, yeah, in village area you don't have any kind of option.
okay. It's necessary for Covishield only.
Yeah, it is
Oh,
necessary.
okay. Yeah, we
Yeah,
had
you
this
ca
option, pick your favorite candy. Which one do you want? Do you want Covaxin or do you want Covishield? You can pick which one you want.
so you are very
In
lucky. You have
Delhi,
option. You are very lucky.
we
You have
have,
option. But
yeah, we have Sputnik also. We have an international candy also. That's from Russia.
okay,
And if you want Sputnik, but the
okay. So you have
problem
three
is,
options. So you have three options.
yes, there is Sputnik also.
Spotting also.
Yeah.
It is.
But the
I think
problem
it
is
is.
Sputnik is taken
Mhm.
over by private hospitals. All private
Okay,
hospitals have Sputnik.
okay. So they are getting any charge for getting
Of
vaccination?
course,
Private
yes,
hospitals.
for Sputnik, Russia has set 950 rupees in Indian currency. So it's 950 rupees for one shot. But the thing
For
is,
one
you
shot.
only have to get one. There is no need for two doses. One is enough. That's what I've heard.
One.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
And in future, there will be Pfizer also. Pfizer is also coming, I think, last year. But that dosage is of 1500 rupees. And again, you need just one shot.
Okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
we have
Mhm.
varieties, whichever
Yeah,
you
you have
like.
multiple variety. You have multiple variety.
Exactly. Did you pay for Covishield for getting Covishield done? Did you have to pay?
No, no, no. We don't pay
No.
anything. We didn't pay
Yeah.
anything.
Here
It is
also. My parents also
yeah,
didn't pay
it
anything.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It was completely
Good.
free.
Thank God. Please stay safe. It's very ugly and I have
Mm,
experienced it personally, so it's very bad. So I would say just
right,
stay safe, stay sanitized and avoid any kind of social contact. That is the only way how you can prevent this thing.
right, right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's already 18. One or two sentences, Bhuvan, I would like to correct for you. When you
Mm-hmm.
say they has gone, the people, they came here, but they has gone.
Okay, so